Hey guys, so here we are for another weekly report. As you can see, new achievement 30,000 views. So this week was very interesting. Let's check our content first. Um, as we discussed in the last report, uh, reaction to the Chilean band Los Jaivas has been performing well for me. So we have the first one here already crossing 10,000 views. And then I did another one, another suggested song by people that watched that video, already crossing 5,000 views. And I released a new one on Friday that is already close to 3,000 views. So that's great, right? And other than that, I released another one from my reaction to a guitar song by Kiko Loureiro. This one's performing poorly, and the one that I had released for Rory Gallagher is slow and steady, almost at 1,000 views. And my most recent one that came out on Friday, right? So this one probably was Wednesday actually. And so this one that came out on Friday had a fairly slow start, but it's starting to pick up apparently. So let's see how it goes over time. Um, but yeah, so that's a kind of a confirmation of the value of leaning into what is working. So these reaction videos to the band Los Jaivas are performing very well for me right now. So let's go to the channel analytics and let's bring lifetime as our time window. And you can see that we are already at 2,600 watch time hours out of the 4,000 that we need for our monetization goal. And we're at a little over 300 subscribers out of the 1,000 that we need for our monetization goal. So what this means is here we are roughly around 65% ish of the goal, and here we are at 30% of the goal. So in both scenarios, good progress. My bet is that I'll be able to monetize the channel in another month or so, maybe even less than that. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, in terms of high performing content, as I mentioned, for me right now are the reaction videos to the band Los Jaivas. Then I have this other one that was published back in July. It's pretty stagnant right now, but had a nice bump during the Olympics. And then come the other videos. No other change in strategy or no other test this week other than keeping up with these Los Jaivas reactions that are bringing a lot of the views and a lot of the watch time and a lot of the subscribers, and testing this new young video here that still going to take a few more days or weeks to have a better understanding of its performance. And just as an example, when I say these videos are bringing a lot of the watch time, we can click here and see that this one alone, the one that has over 10,000 views, is almost at 1,000 watch time hours. And then if we go to this other one that has a longer watch time, per view, is not that far. Also, it's already over 750, 760 watch time hours. So like these guys are doing the bulk of the work in terms of carrying the metrics for our monetization goals. I'm sorry if there's any noise coming through in the microphone. There's some excited people out on the street right now. And if we check subscribers from these videos, you see that we have 163 from this video. We have another 55 from this other one. We have another 38 from this other one. So We're gonna keep it up with that, and those are the results for the week. Thanks, guys. See you next time.